Hello, WKTA, it's Christian here. So, today we want to see if the Mad Bull MX-PB4 CO2 grenade is able to blow away all these 100 cans with just one shot. So this would be very interesting to see, and we will staple them like this, 3, and we got 6 and 6 and 3, that makes 108 cans or cups. So, let's see. Hello, WKTA, it's Christian. So, for you, I drank all that stuff to make this experiment. That are exactly 100. So, let's see what we can do so far with this. This baby did a great job, as you saw. So we used the MX-PB4. And I found this .68 rubber ball going through all the cans, making his way 5 meters up to there, making his way all through the cans. So, Johannes Christian, I can highly recommend this product, the M79 sort-of version, and the MX-PB4 Mad Bull high-power grenade.